You know, I don't like wearing gloves, but when I do, it's always for a reason, right? So, this customer brought me his phone. He wanted to fix it. I'm about to show you. Okay, check this out. Alright, so this is the phone that he wanna fix it. The front screen, and this is the back. I don't know what is this, but we'll see. So he's going to use the upgrade on his phone, but they want him to fix the front and back. So we will fix the back and the front screen and clean all this dirt on the frame. And other thing, as also he was having at the port, the charger is not going all the way in, so you cannot charge the phone. So I will clean the charging port as well. Let's get it done. I wanted to clean this before I fix the screen. There are some on the home button. It stinks so bad. See the port. Oh. There are more in there. Let's fix the screen. Ew. Looks like it got wet. See this? Right there and there. Data transferred. Time to fix back. Surgery time. One more time laser. Brush it a little bit. Glue time. Time to for cook. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Of course, let's charge it too to see if the charger is working too. Went all the way in and it's charging. Sit.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me.